Hello friends, my name is Onur. I'm going to talk about my presentation. It's cryptology. I have three parts. First of all, what is cryptology, the importance of it, and its history. Second is the techniques of cryptology and automation, Enigma, cryptographic algorithms. Third one, encryption techniques in nowadays, MD5, CHA1, and symmetric encryption technique and web. What is cryptology? Cryptology is the science of the allows two or more communication parties to exchange information securely. Cryptology is mathematics actually, such as a number theory and application of formulas and algorithms that underpin cryptography and cryptanalysis. Cryptography is mean create secret code or write password, then cryptanalysis breaking those code and analyze it. Importance, imagine the world without passports or very weak passports. What can someone who knows how to use computer, for example, easily listen to phone conversation from far away, or you are shopping at the internet and using credit cards, you can be hacked. If we take the examples a little further, military information, state security, government security, so cryptology is more important than we thought. History. The first cryptographer is an Egyptian who lived 4,000 years ago when describing his master's life, and he created hieroglyphs in encrypted form. Later, in the 5th and 6th centuries BC, due to need for confidentiality in military intelligence, cryptography entered the military area. The first cryptographers in the military fields are Spartans. The techniques, we can start the second part. It's about techniques of cryptology. Caesar algorithm. It's a single alphabet encryption method. This method is also known as translation encryption. You can see the formula. M is sequential number of the current letter in plain text. Key is the measure of shifting letters, and N is the number of characters in the alphabet. N can be 26 because of English alphabet. For example, I have a plain text, hello, my name is Onur, and key is 4. It will be cheaper text, use lips QCERAQI. Then we continue router machine and Enigma. The most important feature of the rotational chipper machine is that by combining several rotors, encryption can be changed dynamically. For example, the first letter can be encrypted with one encryption type, the second letter is with another encryption type, and the third letter is with another encryption type. In order to crack such chippers, the most popular letter sequences should be known instead of the most popular letters. For example, in English, NG and NST letters are frequently seen one after the other. The most important of these machines is Enigma. It used Germans during the World War II, and cryptographic algorithms. Cryptographic algorithms often grouped into two broad categories, symmetric and asymmetric. Today's popular crypto systems use hybrid combination of the symmetric and asymmetric algorithms. These algorithms discussed by types of keys used for encryption and decryption operations. Public key cryptology. The public and private pair comprise of two related cryptographic keys, basically long numbers. You can see the slide. The public key is public. It's made available to everyone via publicly accessible repository or directory. Private key is confidential to its respective owner. Encryption techniques in nowadays important two method. MD5 message digest algorithm M5, also known as data integrity of or summary function. It's a one-way public key encryption technique. Data to be sent somewhere is encrypted as 128-bit abstracts. It's used to ensure data integrity. You can the example for hello MD5 encryption. CHA1 secure hash algorithm, summarization algorithm. It is a one-way public key encryption technique. It is used to ensure data integrity. Summarizes the data in 160-bit length. It has wide usage in the web area. This is important. And SHA-2 produce abstract longer bits. You can see the example for hello. Symmetric encryption technique, the same key data used to both encrypt and decrypt. For example, consider a chest with a single lock. The duplicate has two keys. One of the keys is at source and the other is at target. Chest lock at the source will open with same key when it goes to the target. It is a four techniques: DES, triple DES, AES, RC4. Web word economy privacy. In nowadays web 128, which uses 104-bit keys, is found in network using web. Safer networks may be using the web 256, which makes the 232-bit key possible. Since the encryption is insufficient today, the more secure VPA encryption method has been created. The reason why web is still in uses particularly backward compatibility, partly supporting the wireless distribution system. That's all. Thank you for listening.